Okay, so the area of a circle is given by a of r equals pi times r squared, or pi times the radius squared. So part A wants us to evaluate a of 2r and to express our answer in terms of a, the original area. So remember that when we have a of 2r, you're just taking whatever's in your parentheses and plugging that in for whatever letter um, is in our original equation. So we're just plugging it in for r. So a of 2r is equal to pi. Remember, that doesn't change. Now we're plugging our 2r in for r, so it's going to be 2r, the entire thing squared. Okay, so let's go ahead and use our exponent rules, distribute out that exponent to both factors within our parentheses, and you're going to get pi is equal, or sorry, pi times 2 squared is 4, r squared is just r squared. All right, and it wants us to express our answer in terms of a. So we know that a is equal to pi r squared. So we can look at this as 4 times this pi r squared. Okay, you want your original equation to be kind of packed together in your final answer because you want it in terms of that. So you can either leave it like this, or because it has in terms of like the letter A, you can also write 4 times A. Either one of these would be correct. You shouldn't get off points for having one but not the other. They're both the same thing. So that's your answer for part A. All right, so for part B, by what factor does the area increase if you double the radius r? So that's just kind of interpreting our answer that we got for part A. So part A, we were doubling the radius, that was 2r. So what factor does the area increase? Well, here we have, when you double it, you get this 4 times a. So it increases by a factor of 4. So you just want to write that whole thing out. Okay, my handwriting is horrible, so it doesn't look like I say it does, or it doesn't look like it says that, but it does say that it increases by a factor of 4.